How to use Uniswap Solana in Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily swap Solana on Uniswap using the Phantom Wallet application. For that you just have to launch your Phantom Wallet and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Then you need to tap on this globe icon in the bottom right hand corner. Over here you will be able to see some of the trending applications like Jupiter, Radium, Pump.fun. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to find Uniswap. So you need to tap on Uniswap and then you will be landed on the official website of Uniswap. Here, first of all, you just have to connect your Phantom wallet with it. For that, you need to tap on the connect button in the top. Then you need to select your Phantom wallet and then you need to tap on the connect button. Now, once it is connected successfully, you can start your swapping process. So over here you just have to tap on this arrow button and here in the search bar you simply need to search for Sol. Now once you search for Sol, you will be able to find Sol. So you just have to select Sol. Then you just have to tap on token. So you need to select any of the tokens. So let's say I want to select 1 inch. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase the token that you have selected. And then you need to tap on the swap button and you need to confirm your transaction. This way you will be able to easily use Uniswap in Phantom Wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.